Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Zips, and welcome back to Monster Train 2. So today, we have Rector that we're doing, and if you take a look in the little logbook here, take a little Pandora, we have only Umbra left that we have to do with Rector. So if we complete this run today, we will have all the clan combos complete with Rector, which will make Rector the first champion that I have completed all the clan combos for, which I would like to give this man that honor. So let's do this. Anyway, if you guys are excited for some more Monster Train 2, make sure to like, comment, and or subscribe. Commenting helps boost us in the YouTube algorithm. My goal before the end of the year is to get to 1,000 subscribers, so let us begin. Alright, so we are fighting. I'm not in a mood for savagery today, I'll be honest. Just, I need to figure out how I'm dealing with the backline. I'll be fine. Alright, we are fighting savagery today with Rage Archean and Damage Shield Kill. We have Wing Spirit with Whiplash, Perils of Production, and Shadow Eater. Alright. Yup. Early Memorial Fund? Yes. Let's do it. I like money. Both these seem kind of middling. I think this clan combo is sadly just kind of... I see why Umbra is my last one that I have to do with Rector, because this clan combo seems kind of dire. What do I have for options? I don't know. I guess I click on Accumulator, but I feel like this is gonna scale terribly into the late game. I don't know. Maybe, though. I don't super duper care. I think, honestly, I think Crypt Call with Dreg Spam is probably better in the early game. Just let Shadow Eater and the Dregs carry you. I don't know, man. I think I'll take Dark Culling. I think it's slightly more versatile for strategies you may want to do. Alright. Let us do this. Do I think I can take this trial? It's a little bit questionable, but nothing in my deck is too expensive, so I think I probably can. I'm probably just gonna not play these Shield Stewards. Alright. Release the Maw. Release the Bellows of Hell. Send them away. I do like drawing these guys. Like, now. This Whiplash sadly is useless. Unfortunately. So nice way we can go about doing this is if I can... Nope, that is not Rector's ability. This is Rector's ability. I just do this and we get dragged behind Big HP Boy here. And we should have a good time in Relentless here. Reform me. We're not winning, but we get another round. We get 2 more rounds against this guy. Where we get to reform units. Ah, crap, I forgot about Memorial Fund. Interesting. I get 2 more deaths for Memorial Fund, and I got like got the other stuff that makes me money in this fight, so it's not too bad. I wish Fatal Melting was a good card, because it would be if I could get this thing strong, it would be a good way to clear the backline units in Savagery. But maybe it's fine. It's probably okay. Hollow Drippings is also pretty solid. I think I like a Hollow Drippings a little bit more. I think it's more... There's more scenarios where it's useful. A Tombra Assault? I don't think I can really play a Morsel line. Because I haven't really been given anything for our Morsel lines. I think I'll take like a Space Prism. Do I want... I don't really want a Umbra unit here. I feel like I want something that combos with Crypt Call. And maybe the Whiplashes. I guess so. Remove Consume permanently, kind of interesting. Wickless Baron? It's... okay, probably. It's probably fine. Maybe you get space in this run. You get, like, a couple Barons on the floor, and then you get, like, Rector. You get Rector spawning something that, like... I don't know. You'll come up with something. And if we don't, we will die. Kinda generally how it works. I don't like anything I have in this deck so far. I'm just gonna remove a Spear Steward. And I think to save my money until I pick up a card I like. Or until I find a card that I don't dislike. I think this is probably fine. It's usually... Titan Skin is usually free. Wish I had a way to actually, like, scale this Wickless Baron, but it's kind of difficult. Got the good old multi-floor setup. The classic. I wish I could put these guys on the same floor. Like, I wish I could have you clearing the backline enemies and, like, Rector on the same floor. Unfortunately. I mean, maybe if I get, like, a lot of space in this run, I can do that, but, yeah, I don't know. It seems questionable. Reform my boys. Be free, my men. My little drag men. Let your wings flutter. So, are you ready for a fucking battle here? My guy has no stats. That, is, not reassuring for the rest of this run. I might just die here. Wait, no, I'm not. I'm winning. Don't worry. I don't need a Doom quite just yet. I don't really know where the run is gonna go from here. I am very unsure. Oh no, my guy died. Which is actually good, because I get more money. Yippee! Molten Encasement can be very good. It can keep me alive against savagery. Yes, please. Yeah, yes, please. I think I will. What now? What's now? Do I have any spells I want to upgrade? Not really. Maybe I can find a unit that's better for this run. Or I can try hunting for a good equipment. Like what good equipment? What's good? I couldn't really tell you because I don't know. I think this has like a really high likelihood to just kind of feel really sad, so I'm gonna go here instead. At least I can... I don't know. What are you showing me? Lady of the house! I can get, like, a lot of attack on this Lady of the House, can't I? Yeah, that's probably good. That's probably good. Oh, and then I could do, like, -1 remove consume. Ooh. I can do, like, intrinsic seek stone. Then throw, like, a -1 on this. Show me spell chain here. Holdover? Eh. I don't really like holdover there. I only found something to spend money on, which is nice. So I should be solid for this fight. I think I desperately need space right now, though. Savage Skin. Plus 40 HP is not bad. I think I will just skip. I think I'm just gonna not bother. I'm probably gonna be pressed for unit energy in this run anyway. I think we got a strong setup for this fight, though. Get down the lady. Not Rector on this floor. So I'm hoping that my Baron here will be able to serve the role of tank here, at least for this fight. I'm putting a lot of vestige into you, sir. And I'm gonna need these dregs to really try their best at killing the enemies. Or no, not killing the enemies, dying themselves. Oh, it's Rage Archean. Gulp. Gulp. That's not good. That's like really bad. Although actually I can build up a lot of stealth here, which is good. Yeah, we can build up a lot of stealth. We can get stealthy in here, which means I'll probably be okay. Probably, I hope. This guy is super dead. Damn, where did you get 5 burnout, dude? Wow. Whoa. I was not paying attention to that guy. No, he has 5 burnout. I take a little damage here, sadly. A small little 6. I don't want to plug up my reform pool too much here. Yeah, I would like to not do that. Unfortunately, I take another thing of damage, but I think we should be out of this fight thanks to our boy, the Molten Encasement. We are indeed out of this. Good stuff. This guy may have, like, actually, he has, like, it's like no rage. He wasn't even that scary without it. Umberstone could maybe be something worth considering. Yeah, probably. Paraffin Enforcer, it's probably unlikely. And I think I need space in this run. Most likely. Alright. Let's go look for some unit upgrades here. Multi-strike, beautiful. This changes everything. Tossing a Titanite onto this Wickless Baron will likely be a wise decision. Anything cool here? Not really. Maybe you could play Overgrowth Carapace? I doubt it. I kind of doubt it. Show me stuff for show me dualism here. Oh, I should put, like, Burnout on the Molten Encasement. So do you think I could just play dualism here? Yeah, I think I can. I probably can. Although, I do need to be careful with trying to keep my Rector alive. Multi-strike? Nah. Nah. I don't think I will. I think I'll pass. So now, like, the point in this run, we just gotta, like, try to optimize this to the best of my ability. I think I will be trying to play for 2 Lady of the Houses. Most likely. I'm gonna restart this turn real quick for a second. There's no real reason not to play these drags back here. They will just add on a bit of damage. Oh wait, actually they're... no, it is fine to put them there. They're chilling. They're big chilling. Yeah, I guess that's good. Lady of the House is not quite putting up the damage numbers I would like her to. Which, hopefully, we can find a way to rectify. By hopefully just getting a bunch of Lady of the Houses on this floor. Then buffing them up. So 4 stealth here is, in fact, a lot of stealth. And then I get to, like, be playing this every turn. Well, okay, roughly, it's like, I don't need to be playing this every turn because it's 4 stealth. Which is kind of a lot of stealth. My units were burning out there, which is a sad sight. Quite a sad reality. I don't think it's Devourer of Death. Maybe a Fatal Melt. No, not a Fatal Melting. Maybe a Fatal Melting. Can I get like plus 20, plus 10 on this thing? I'm just looking ahead. Can I get a magic shop here? I could go here, maybe? Do I really want to? Do I really want to, though? Might be nice. You never know. You never truly know. I think a unit upgrade here, looking for one last thing onto this Lady of the House is good, but probably not necessary. I think I just get my second Lady of the House. I think so. That makes us much less likely to die. Lost Luggage lets you kind of cycle through the deck quicker. What am I doing in the next circle? Probably getting removal. Okay, sure. I like Lost Luggage. Sounds quite nice. Whoa. Yeah? Yeah? I think so. 'Cause that's like 5 attack. That's like a lot of attack. That's like a lot of attack. Wow. Oh my. I'm quite tired by the time of recording this, and I feel like that's like 75 attack. I really hope I didn't just say something stupid. And then I'm gonna be made fun of for it. We will have to see, though. I can't play my Shadow Eater, which actually matters a little bit. This is not 75 attack. This is... It's 5, so it's 15 times 5. Why is my brain... Why can't my brain just do simple math? Isn't this 75? Oh, is this 75 and it's like the sap is what's messing this is what's messing this up? Goddamn sap. Also, ouch. Wickless Baron, ouch. Wickless Baron, ouchie. Don't hurt my Wickless Baron, please. Something I might want to end up doing in this run is I might just want to end up putting Rector on my main floor. Nothing really to do here. God, my deck just... Oh, wait, no, I need to be playing Dregs here. I need to be playing... No, actually, I need to be playing Molten Encasement. Don't forget about that. Very important, very, very important step to not fucking dying. To generally not getting fucking killed. Generally. Damn, we should be putting up some nice numbers here. Mortal Entrapment is okay. I kind of want to make this deck consistent though, so I'm gonna see if I can stop clicking on cards here. We get rid of both shield. Do I get rid of both shield stewards? I'll get rid of a Shade Splitter instead. I think cool here. -1 on Wicklash is good. Don't really want to hold over. I think I'm just gonna spend more money on removals. I think we got this deck figured out. I think we are rather solved. So we just need to make this deck not suck. And we make it not suck by drawing a Molten Encasement turn 1. We do that, I think we're good. I think we're golden. I think we are nice and golden. I probably am just supposed to put Rector back here. I think I was probably supposed to play him on my main floor, because if I'm living through stealth, it should be like, we shouldn't be like drawing like this bad, right? Like if I remove more cards from the deck, okay. I can reform, but now she loses all her attack. Hold on, wait, don't put Burnout on Rector. What are you doing? What are you doing, silly? Get a drag back here. Oh my god, wait, this guy walks past me. Are you... even if I'm drawing a billion cards turn 1, I'll never ever draw the card I actually need. Law of reality. Unfortunately. I do play Wickless Baron here then. I need to play I can get away with playing Wickless Baron. Fuck you. Fuck off. Why are you here now? I hate this game. Game, fuck you. Fuck you, game. You're full of shit. I tell you. Just full of grime and gross stuff. I really need to make this deck more consistent. We definitely need card draw. This is absolutely a card draw angle, I feel. Because without card draw, I'm kinda dry. I always forget I need to be clicking on Rector. Because if we're not drawing our one card that gives us damage here, we're kinda dry. We're kinda left wanting a lot. Stop bottom decking, please. I'm begging you, please stop. Like, look at the attack jump. So it's 80 attack. Oh no, yes, it is. This is 75. 75 plus the 5 from. All right. Yeah, basic math. Woohoo! Yippee! All right, easy fight. Easy peasy. Good shit. Good job, everyone. Anton Death does not do anything. Gordra, please. Oh, I kind of need Pyre HP. Can I? Yeah, I need to click on Pyre HP here, unfortunately. How annoying. Can we, like, duplicate five times? Boiler room on the first floor? Sure. Sure, I suppose. I guess so. My deck is, like, only, like, 3 cards, it feels. My deck is Molten Encasement and Hollow Drippings, and it's nothing else. It's just these 2 cards. There's nothing else here. Or nothing else that needs to be here. Isn't it better? It is just better to play Burnout Rector. Dip into Burnout Rector because I just need this Burnout Rector to survive. I don't care about the attack boost. I need him to not die, please. -1 energy each turn. Gets kind of sketchy with Entropic Crystal. We will opt out. We will, in fact, say no. So I probably can get away with playing Rector on the bottom floors. I could especially get away with it if the game, like... Are you really just walking past me like that? This day and age? How cruel. Wait, actually, no, I can catch this guy. I can catch this guy if I do this. I think I can catch this guy, because how does this change if I put this drag here? Then I buff you. There we go. There we go. We get there. This Fatal Melting, useless. Useless crap. Oh, now my guy is like I want to play these units, but like I can't muck up my discard, or I can't muck up like my pool here. Oh my god, he's walking past me. Oh, he's walking past me. Oh, that's actually terrible news. There's like not a lot I can do about that, because I'm not drawing my play that for like something. I needed holdover in this run. Like, I have so many cards like I need to play, but like there's nothing I can do. I need to be playing these things, but like I just don't draw them. I think I'm taking way too much damage here. Bummer. Bummer. You know what I'd say I might be able to do? At least this will give me some time to just build up my stats. I think I can set up top floor here and rely on your eat effect. I hope. I do think I actually need this drag on the floor. Also, we are fighting top floor Rax, but we are fighting him with stealth. Top floor Rax is scary because he one-shots you. I missed out on the 10 attack. It doesn't super matter, probably. Probably. Don't need... No, I need to play this. This hitting exactly 20 damage is great. That is very nice. Unfortunately, I'm going to be getting besieged by curses here. Amazing. Amazingly useful. Bro, please stop drawing me these fucking perils, man. I'm begging you. Stop drawing me perils. Maybe I need to just be playing these dregs. Maybe I need to, like, actually be playing them. Although now now things ended up correct for me here. Do I think I could just eat this? It's a little doubtful, but I probably can. I think I'll be fine. It's not like it's in my decks, not. So they shouldn't count my they shouldn't count. It doesn't count these guys, thankfully. And I am not killing everything here. Oh man, what do I? So I think I know how I have to do this differently. I think I know what I must do. I think we continue with this setup. I mean, it's smarter to do this because, like, I have less cards in my deck. In theory, it's smarter to do this. I think I need to be playing these dregs and just accept that my redraw pool is going to be kind of muddled. Use this to block the corruption hit. Am I seriously not killing that guy? That is so sad. That is downright depressing. You get the energy now, though, which is cool. I need to put the trample on the higher attack, lady of the house. Alright, this at least makes my draw next turn better. I need to not be afraid of playing these damn dregs. You can technically get them out of the deck here. And even if I'm not drawing like my the all-important dude. Oh wait, I wanted to eat that guy. Shit. God damn it. Hey, this Fatal Melting's actually kind of doing something now. Wonderful. Well, like, kind of doing something. Hey, nice! We're getting them. We're fricking getting them now. See? Not so bad. I just needed to not be afraid to play my units. Who cares about some silly draw pot? Who cares about some silly consume pile? Who needs stealth? Who needs to survive? Just kill them. Oh my god, the attack stat is crazy here. What the hell? Good lord. Did I get these drags chilling up here? Thanks to Dark Calling Rector, the goat. Yo, Fatal Melting. Bam. Fatal bam. Alright. We thankfully did get past this fight with acceptable HP. Well, and by that I mean we got past it without taking any damage, and we should have good HP for the remainder of this run. So now, I don't think it's Memento Mori. What if I need to take Cave in here? Low key. No, that sounds terrible. That sounds pretty damn bad. Would be funny, though. Would be pretty humorous. 2 removals here is, like, everything. Get rid of you, get rid of a drag. And then I finally get a second Holo Drippings into this deck. Thank God. Waxer Snuffer! Whoa. Yeah, that's probably pretty good. Actually, is this overkill? Because I'm already getting 4 stealth, which is kind of like enough. Honestly, I think the thing that kills me, that is more likely to kill me, is just like not drawing it. So I think I'd rather spend, what's gonna kill me here is like not drawing my Holo Drippings when I need it. Or not drawing my, my Molten Encasement turn 1. That is what will actually kill me here. Oh, I forgot I can put Damage Shield on you. So that one's always gonna be alive. Damn, I forgot I had slots on them. Ooh. Whoops. Oops. Oopsie. Alrighty. Well, this one should only survive, I think. I hope. I'll just draw me stealth turn 1. Alright, we should be fine. We should hopefully be fine. Get the damn dregs out of here. We don't need them. Alright, now draw me stealth this. Yeah, okay, I always draw Molten Encasement. I am never able to get fucked over here. I'm getting... Oh no, oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. The enemies are not dying. Gulp! Need to find some way to kill this wave. Crypt Call me. Alright. That ought to do it. Still not perfect, but yeah, okay. This should be good. I am gonna need that stealth again soon. There we go. Okay, we should be settled. And now my attack just went to the damn moon, and I think we have hit escape velocity. Man, this fight scale, this build scales really well throughout a fight. The attack just goes to the roof. Also, having something that actually clears backline is quite nice. I will admit. Also, I need to be clicking this. It's actually like really detrimental to not be clicking Rector. There we go. Okay, I got my Molten Encasement again. Thank you, Molten Encasement. Thank you for making it so, like, you just survive everything in this game. Thank you for being... Oh my god! I'm taking my screenshot right now. Whoa! Oh, but the attack doesn't actually show up where I want it to show up. Man, look at that attack stat. And with, like, trample? What? You're just bullying over the enemies at that point. Alright. Savagery is defeated. Let's get our free win. Let's sit back, chillax, drink an iced latte with extra cream. Oh man, I don't want coffee. Fuck. So I'm not usually okay. I'm not a coffee drinker. I almost never drink coffee. I can't remember the last time I've drank coffee. Okay, well no, I can't like recall like at least by date the last time I've drank coffee. However, like coffee is like Because I don't drink coffee to wake me up, because, like, that doesn't really, kind of doesn't super work with ADHD. It just makes me, like, really, really anxious whenever I, I'm not really anxious, but it's like, I don't know. It's not a thing I super rely on, drinking coffee. Recall, please. I don't need to play other, I don't need to play more units here. We're not, like, under stress of, like, having to draw through the deck. This fight's easy. This fight's fucking easy as hell. Wait, my Rector's dying. Shit. Nah, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Even if Rector's dies, he'll give me so much stealth that they'll never see me. They'll never see me coming. Damn, I was hoping to get to boost my attack. Maybe I should be playing these drags. Maybe I should be. Alrighty. 150 attack should be pretty good. That ought to do it. I'll miss you. I'll miss you, Rector. I'll miss you, buddy. You were the GOAT. Look at all this fucking burnout, man. I'm gonna take a screenshot of the hitting the entropic crystal hollow drippings was pretty sick. That was pretty cool. That was pretty sick with it. Very nice and cool high roll. Goodbye, buddy. I'll miss you. Oh, wait, you're not dead just yet. But you will die next turn. I'll miss you, buddy. You were the GOAT. Oh, man. So I was, like, trying this recording, like, a while today. Because, like, I was talking about coffee. I don't want to sidetrack this conversation. I was talking about coffee. So, like, coffee is not something I drink often, but, like, I have, like, honestly, like, a lot of respect for, like, the craft of, like, making coffee. And, like, I think, like, making coffee is, like, cool. Is, like, kind of cool. And, like, putting effort into making, like, a well-done coffee. Or, like, a well-done espresso shot. A well-done latte. All the different ways to do coffee. I think it's pretty cool. This is to say that, like, I like... Because I think why in my brain I don't really like coffee is because when I think of coffee, I think of, like, shitty black coffee from, like, my parents' like, shitty Folgers ass coffee. And, like, a good black coffee, there's something about it. Also, hold on. Oh wait, go show off the logbook. Show off the damn logbook. Check out my boy here. All of those crowns. Rector is my first character, first of the leaders that I have all of the crowns for. Lovely stuff. Anyway, what was I talking about? Coffee. Coffee's cool. Maybe I'll drink it more often. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this episode of Monster Train 2. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and or subscribe. And all of you out there, have a nice day.